What up, turbos and tuning fans? It's early. Cavs lost because they got ripped off. Thanks NBA refs. So what we're going to do is we're going to install my latest purchase, which is the Power Level 3 pedal from our good old boys at Vivid Racing, vrtune.com or vividracing.com. I'm going to get you on my head here. Alright, first thing you want to do is move your seat back. Now this is an install on the GLA45 AMG, and this will work, same kind of install on the CLA250, GLA250. As you can see, the seat can go back pretty freaking far, actually. For all you tall guys, keep that in mind. Look at that. I think it's actually almost touching the car seat in the back. Yeah, that's crazy. Goes back, way back. Alright, so need to sweep my car, obviously. Take out my liner. We're going to be headed towards this guy. And there is a, let me get some light for you. There's that 13mm plastic bolt holding the actual pedal on. We're going to take that off, and then there's some actual little areas that the gas pedal is connected to inside the metal on the right hand side. And the plug is also on the right hand side that we have to unplug, and I'll pull that out at that time and kind of show you where you unplug it from the car. It's hard to get in there, but just know that it's down in that area pretty tight, so give yourself some time and patience. So there is the plastic 13mm bolt. That's the only thing that actually holds your electronic gas pedal on, which is kind of alarming, I thought. Like, easy to strip, so whatever you do, take your time with it. Do not over tighten this. Just give it like a nice tight crank, like one turn tops, not even, because it will strip on that inside. As you see, it's got little tiny plastic threads. So that is what you need to know. Sorry, I got trash men getting my trash. That's why you hear this noise. Alright, so there is the gas pedal out. There is the plug. So when you're looking up vertical, you're actually going to see, when you're underneath the steering column, you're going to see a plug. We'll take the VR one. A plug that's just like this, that's come in and made it with it. You just press that little clip up towards like my pointer finger. You'll push it up and it'll just simply release, and you just give a nice and gentle pull on the actual gas pedal and pop, you're out. So now we're gonna marry the VR kit. I'll give you a little tour of it. It's simply a box. I went and got some Velcro to add to it. So it's got two plugs. One goes into the actual gas pedal, the other plugs into the unit, into the CPU that's controlling it, the flow. And then on the other end with this unit, some are Bluetooth. This unit's not Bluetooth. This unit's going to have a button that turns green and red to indicate if I'm in race shift mode or throttle response mode, or if I'm in normal mode, or if I'm not in any mode, I'm just running stock. So that's pretty much it. And then I got to find a placement and run this wire, and I haven't decided where I'm gonna put it. I'm thinking over here somewhere. I want to be able to see it, but not to be so obviously aftermarket. So I don't know, I'll decide. So as you can see here, I've got a twist tie. This actual thinking box for the unit has two holes. I I'm guessing that's exactly what it's for, so I can twist tie it up into underneath the steering column so it doesn't fall down. So just keep that in mind. You can also Velcro it. Some people I've seen have Velcroed it or command stripped it to a location under there, but I think the easiest bet with all the wiring, etc. down there is to just zip tie it. So just keep that in mind when you're working underneath the steering column, to know that most companies offer you this setup so that you can do the zip ties. Otherwise, get yourself some command strips or Velcro, but just know those kind of give way over time. All right, we're finished, so we're gonna give it a little run. Hopefully everything starts up nice, and we'll get my seat back to where it belongs with my short ass legs, and we'll see if, oh, see the light's already green on it. Bam! So that's a good sign. I decided to put it there. I'll probably cut off the little ends when I left them on, just in case I want to move it. I wanted to see where it kind of set with my knees and other functions. So, well, we started. That's a good sign. Get my radar detector in. Let's take this business for a spin.